Good morning and good afternoon, scholars. This is Miss Miller, and today's science lesson is week 3, day 3. The reason why this says day 3 and not day 2 is because the previous video I kind of covered day 1 and day 2. I should have spaced it out a little bit more, but today's lesson is going to be solely on just 2 pages. It'll be day 3 as it is printed on your Learning in Place packet. So today we are going to be talking about plants again because that's our brand new unit. So let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about how people can help plants. People help each other all the time. We can help a neighbor, we can help a friend. Well, plants need help too. Remember, both plants and animals and humans, we're all living things and we all need help. So today we're going to be learning about how people help plants. And that is the heading right here. That's our nonfiction text feature. The heading says people helping plants. How do people help plants? They water plants. They pull weeds so that plants have space to grow. Remember yesterday we talked about plants need space in order to grow. If they don't have enough space, they won't be able to spread their roots and they'll have trouble growing and staying alive. People put plants by windows so that plants can get sunlight. Right here it says active reading. Clue words can help you find an effect. So is a clue word. Draw a box around so. I'm just going to point to it. There's so. So it says people put plants by windows so that plants can get sunlight. That word so is a clue to help you find out why people put plants by windows. The next page says people also help plants by planting new ones. They plant seeds so new flowers can grow. They plant young trees so people can enjoy them. So I want you all to think, how do you help plants? Remember, plants need help and they need things to grow. They need sunlight, water, they need air, they need soil, and they need space. They need those 5 things. How can we help plants get the things that they need in order to stay alive? Right here in this box, it says, how do you help plants? So this would be a great time for you to think, how do you help plants? Do you have a plant at home? Or maybe a family friend has a plant? Or maybe a friend that lives near you has a plant? Do you grow things at home? How do you help plants? This would be a great writing opportunity. Write a sentence about how you help plants and draw a picture. I wrote my own sentence that I'll share with you. I just wrote a short little sentence and it says, I help plants by watering them. So your sentence doesn't have to be long at all. It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be, a lot of work. Just write a little sentence and talk about how you help plants at home. Maybe you water them. Maybe you put them by a window. Maybe you put it in a bigger pot so that it has space to grow. I looked up a picture online. I'm going to show it to you. Oops, that's an ad. I found this picture and I thought it was a great example of showing how you can help give a plant space. So some people, when they're growing plants, the plants get bigger and they need a bigger space to live in. Because remember, if the plant doesn't have enough space, it doesn't have enough room to grow. And so if it doesn't have enough space, you need to give it more space. So an example would be to take the plant out of its pot that it's in and put it in a bigger pot with more soil and more room for it to grow. I thought that was a great picture, a great example. So if you decide to write about how you help plants, I would love to see it. You can take a picture of your sentence, or if you draw a picture, that would be great. If you did both, that would be even better. But if you write a sentence about how you help plants, send it to me. That would be awesome. Please do that. That would be great. I would love to see your pictures and I would love to see your sentences. And when you do that, I'm going to go back to my sentence. My sentence said, I help plants by watering them. Make sure you have your capital letter. Make sure you have spaces. Probably should have had a little bit more space in between I and help. And make sure you end with a period. I will see you later. Bye.